The Nagaland Board of School Education declared the results of HSLC and HSSLC examination on 30th May 2020. The HSLC examination 2020 commenced from 14 February to 26 February 2020 and HSSLC examination commenced from 13 February till March 4th, 2020. Briefing the media person at Kohima, Asando Sekose, chairman of the NBSC, while congratulating the students, said this year also girls outshined the boys. She said the top 1 position was secured by Abhi Chakraborty from Holy Cross School, Dimapur with 98.33%.
School education has declared its provisional results of the HSLC and then the higher secondary school leaving certificate examination conducted by the board. This year in the HSLC, Abhi Chakraborty from Holy Cross Higher Secondary School, Dimapur, topped the HSLC examination.
In HSLC, out of the 22,392 candidates, a total of 15,680 candidates qualified the examination with a qualified percentage of 70.03% as against the 68.29% in 2019 and 66.01% in 2018. The girls have done better again with 8,470 qualifying and 7,210 boys qualifying the examination. In the top 20 list, there are 55 candidates, out of which 16 are boys and the rest 39 are girls.
The overall percentage in the HSLC this year is better than last year, and then the pass percentage is at 70.03, and as the girls have done better again.
In the Class 10 exam, a total of 96 schools secured 100% qualified pass percentage. Out of 96, 83 are private schools and 13 are government schools. This year, 34 schools have 0 nil result, out of which 30 are government schools and 4 private schools.
We have 96 schools who have secured 100% pass percentage in the HSLC examination, and out of these 96 schools, 83 are private schools and 13 are government schools. Then we do have 34 schools who have nil result, out of which 30 are from government schools and 4 are private schools.
In terms of district-wise performance for government schools, Kohima district again topped the table with a percentage of 64%, followed by Mokokchung and Parin district at 57%. Longlang district is at the bottom with 10%. In respect of private schools, Kohima district is at the top with a percentage of 89%, followed by Mokokchung at 88%. 986 candidates secured 80% and above in aggregate, out of which 11 candidates are from government schools. While in Class 12 HSSLC examination 2020, 8 institutions under Arts stream, 6 institutions under Science stream and 5 institutions under Commerce stream secured 100% pass result. The overall percentage in Arts stream is 71.87%, Commerce stream at 75.47% and Science stream is at 80.99%.
In the higher secondary school leaving certificate examinations, 8 institutions under Arts stream, 6 institutions under Science stream, and 5 institutions under Commerce stream secured 100% pass result. The overall percentage in Arts stream is 71.87, Commerce stream is 75.47, and in Science stream it is 80.99.
The chairman of the NBSC, Asano Sekose, also mentioned that there are 2 toppers from Government Higher Secondary School in the merit list at the HSSLC examination 2020. The mark sheet for the HSSLC exam will be issued from 5 June 2020.
This year it is also heartening to mention that there are 2 toppers from government higher secondary schools in the merit list, one in commerce and then one in art stream.
Further, the chairman also informed that the compartmental exam to those students will be conducted depending on the situation. With Inzan Bemokuvung, Kohima.